Well, I don't come back again, or I am back again. Well, Nami, your favorite presenter, on YouTube. I know you say you always watch me, or you people are watching me always. Some will criticize what I'm saying, some will be happy with what I'm saying. Actually, it's the real truth. Everything about me here, what I'm saying, is the real truth. Now, wow, Nigeria is a country indeed. Our country is really somehow, honestly. How will a snake swallow 36 million naira? Our snake has now swallowed 36 million naira from a JAMB office. From the JAMB office. Spiritual snake. It just disappeared, entered, went to the votes, and that took this money. 36 million naira for that matter. The most funniest thing is that when they asked, they interrogated that one Philodomina. Okay, Mrs. Philo, let's say Philo. They interrogated her in the JAMB office, and she said that before she used to keep the money in the bank, the bank was not comfortable with, or she was not comfortable doing that. She now decided to be keeping money in the votes. And one day she dreamt when something happened to the snake. And when she narrated the story, they now told her that it is spiritual snake. Not be smart in here. Nigeria, we can talk, we can do all sorts of things. What kind of country is this? Alright, though. A few months ago, they said Aso Rock rat was creating an awareness in Aso Rock, doing all kind of things in Aso Rock. It's no longer Aso Rock now. This one is JAMB and spiritual snake, and not physical snake. Oh, God save us all. God save this country. We are in mess. Okay, I think I should show you the snake that did that swallowed the 36 million naira in JAMB office. Let me show you. You need to see that snake. The snake, If I see that snake, I will just kill the snake and collect that 36 million naira. Mosh, me, I will swallow the. Let me not talk. Let me just keep quiet. Just watch and see the snake, okay? All right. We are back. Oh, we are really back. And I believe this time you might have seen the snake that swallowed that money. 36 billion naira. Come to think of it, it's not a joke. Oh. It's not a chicken change here. Imagine you having 36 million naira, where it will take you to. I'll feed well, eat well, my children will go to school, graduate. In short, many things will be done. So just one day like this, a snake just came and swallowed the whole 36 million naira in Nigeria. In JAMB office for that matter. And we are taking this as a play or granted or whatsoever. It's not something we are supposed to. Let me tell you, the person who took that thing is not a snake, it's a physical human being like us. Madam, oh, I beg not the lie again. Tell us the truth. The Bible said the truth shall set you free. Just talk calm. Just in short, expose those who are involved in it. If you are not the only one, call their names. They let EFCC interrogate them. Why will you be deceiving yourself now? And you feel you are deceiving Nigerians. You are not deceiving us. If this country becomes good, it will become good for you and for us. If it becomes bad, I'm so happy. Everybody will still eat from it too. It will become bad for you and us. Forget the fact that you will still send your children overseas to eat, to go to school. But mind you, the people over there in that foreign countries in which you are sending your children to, I'm not only even talking to only this man alone, I'm talking to all the politicians in which you are sending your children to get education. If they have started the way Nigeria is now, how will you expect, how would you have expected that their country will be in a good condition by now? Yes, we know the world is turning into another thing. We have to be sincere to ourselves now. Okay, let me come back to an APC governor, Governor Rochas Okorocha. He didn't see anything he will use money to do. He now used money to be creating and molding statues up and down, statues of a South African president who is now being pursued or who has been pursued out of the office because of corruption. Instead of you to use that money for something else that will be useful to Nigerians, you are now using it to create statues. Imagine you molding a statue, how much it will cost. All these things are ways of looting monies. Is it about the one that happened in Aso Rock? They said RAT is doing a kind of awareness in the Aso Rock that they have to, do what they call it, use medicine on the Aso Rock office in order to drive away the rats. After that, again, they said the furniture that they need to furnish the Aso Rock and so forth with so billions of naira. Nairas, money that is supposed to be used in order to improve the country's welfare. The Nigerians, the masses are suffering in this country. Actually, time will come whereby the poor will begin to feed on the masses, on the rich. The poor will begin to feed on the rich if care is not taken. Now we are having a kind of problems here and there. Well, we all pray for good to take place. We are praying that God should change the country. God should do that, do this, do that. Even all the politicians are praying. But the issue is that God will never come down from heaven to change the country. The issue is that it is you and I, you the politicians and we the masses, that will change our country for a betterment of future tomorrow. Come to think about it. If it is a bad thing if Nigeria becomes a country that other persons from other countries will send their children to come and get education here? Is it bad for other persons to leave their own country and come here and dwell in a peaceful way and work and make money and live? Is it bad if other persons in other countries have good reputations of this country? It's not a bad thing. Well, meanwhile, all these things have been happening. I would like to show you a lady, a Nigerian lady known as Priye Ebinimo. She's from Warri. This girl is so talented, so much talented. She has done something that no woman can do. Now, this girl is now making her livings or her wealth through what they call POP, parish of plaster, the one they use in designing ceilings in house. She is now a good designer of such things. She designs house, she gets contracts and all. Initially when she started, people thought that it's just a menial job, she cannot be able to do it. Now she surprised the country, she surprised everybody that hard work is really, really good. Now there's a saying that she has already broken to us, or she has already made us to know that what a man can do, a woman can do as well. So just watch what she did. Of recent, she just bought a motor. Just watch her, see the pictures and everything, and I'll be back.